Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change your Honda Pilot air filter. First, gather your tools, including a new air filter and a screwdriver. Next, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Then, open the hood and locate the air filter housing, which is typically a black box situated near the engine. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now let's access the filter. Depending on your Honda Pilot model, you will either unclip the metal fasteners or unscrew a few screws around the air filter housing. Once all fasteners are released, gently lift the cover to reveal the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated, as this will help you correctly install the new one. With the housing open, carefully remove the old air filter. This is a good time to inspect the housing for any leaves, dust, or other debris that might have accumulated. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dirt. Now, take your new air filter and carefully place it into the housing, ensuring it sits snugly and in the same orientation as the one you removed. This ensures proper airflow. Finally, carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into place, ensuring a tight seal. Re-engage all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure they are secure. Start your Honda Pilot's engine to confirm everything is functioning as expected. Remember to check your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year, for optimal engine performance. Also, for more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.